Welcome to Kirkland, Washington, the greatest hometown Main Street. It's beautiful, it's lively, and it's one of a kind. We are the only downtown that is situated right on the shores of Lake Washington, across from Seattle. There are a few things that really sets Kirkland's Main Street apart from the others. You won't find any big box stores here. There are very few places in the Northwest where you can get a downtown shopping experience and a really charming boutique environment. The small businesses here genuinely care about each other's success, and the Kirkland community is vested in that too. It is really what creates Kirkland's charm. We're also filled with artistic touches like sculptures and artistic elements all around. And people say our streets feel like a big, comfortable living room. Of course, we also are very proud of our sense of humor, like the way that our community shows its spirit by dressing up the cow and coyote for every season and holiday. It makes it so much fun. And we are never short on things to do. These streets come alive as we have about 80 days of community celebrations each year. But the main thing that makes Kirkland's Main Street so special is this community. It's the people. The people are the one thing that makes Kirkland this vibrant place. Thousands of volunteer hours go into the support of our city and create a sense of pride for the residents here. And that is why we consider Kirkland to be the quintessential small town with the greatest Main Street.